Home Remedies presents
13 surprising daily uses for castor oil. Do you have a bottle of castor oil tucked away in your bathroom cabinet? Well, it's time to bring it out and put it to good use. Castor oil is more than just a remedy for constipation. It is a multi purpose elixir that has been simmering in obscurity for far too long. From enhancing your beauty routine to tackling common ailments and solving household woes, castor oil has proven to be a natural remedy that offers numerous benefits. Here are some unexpected but effective ways to use it. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Number 1. Leather Conditioner. Castor oil is effective in rejuvenating the shine of leather items and prolonging their lifespan. How to use: apply a small amount of castor oil onto a soft cloth and gently rub it into the leather to moisturize and nourish it. Number 2. Natural lubricant. Tired of dealing with annoying squeaks and stiff mechanisms on your appliances? Castor oil is the perfect solution for all your lubrication needs. How to use: apply a few drops of castor oil to the moving parts of your machines or appliances to lubricate and ensure they work smoothly without damage to rubber or metal. Number 3. Headache and migraine relief. Castor oil can provide much needed relief for headaches and migraines. How to use: massage a small amount of castor oil onto your forehead to soothe tension, reduce inflammation, and promote relaxation. Number 4. Wart and skin tag removal. Castor oil gets to the root of warts and skin tags. How to use: apply a small amount of castor oil directly onto the affected area, massage it in, cover with a bandage and let it work overnight. Repeat daily until they gradually shrink. Number 5. Nail cuticle treatment. Regularly applying castor oil to cuticles can greatly benefit overall nail health. How to use: apply castor oil to your cuticles to moisturize and hydrate them, preventing dryness, cracking, and peeling. Its antimicrobial properties also help prevent infections. Number 6. Ear wax removal. Castor oil can safely soften and remove earwax buildup. How to use: warm a small amount of castor oil to a comfortable temperature, pour it into your ear, let it sit for a few minutes, and then flush out the softened wax with warm water using a bulb syringe. Number 7. Beard oil. Keep your beard well hydrated with castor oil's excellent moisturizing properties. How to use: regularly massage castor oil into your beard to prevent dryness and itchiness. It may also promote hair growth for a fuller and thicker beard. Number 8. Soothe mouth sores. Castor oil's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it ideal for treating mouth sores. How to use: apply a small amount of castor oil to the affected area, leave it on for several minutes, rinse your mouth with water, and repeat several times daily. Number 9. Eliminate corns and calluses. Castor oil helps moisturize and nourish the skin, making it softer and more pliable. How to use: soak your feet in warm water, apply castor oil to affected areas, massage it in, put on clean cotton socks, and leave it on overnight. In the morning, rinse off and gently exfoliate with a pumice stone. Number 10. Furniture polish. Give your wooden furniture a shine with castor oil. How to use: combine half a cup of white vinegar, 4 ounces of castor oil, and 20 to 30 drops of lemon oil. Dampen a soft cloth in the mixture and polish your furniture in gentle circular motions to nourish and clean the wood. Number 11. Revive ferns. If your ferns look dull, castor oil can give them a boost. How to use: mix 2 teaspoons of castor oil with 2 cups of water and use it to water your ferns. Watch them perk up with brighter and greener fronds. Number 12. Hemorrhoid treatment. Castor oil can help soothe the discomfort of hemorrhoids. How to use: apply castor oil to a cotton ball, place it on external hemorrhoids, and let it sit for at least 15 minutes. Repeat as needed to soothe pain and itchiness. Number 13. Dog fur conditioner. Castor oil can also benefit your furry friends. How to use: rub castor oil into your dog's fur during bath time for a shiny and healthy coat. It is also a natural treatment for mange. Castor oil is an incredibly versatile and powerful product with a wide range of unexpected everyday uses. Its impressive properties make it a must have for anyone seeking natural and holistic solutions in their everyday lives. Give it a try and see the magic for yourself.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.